So as you know, we enjoy doing fly cruises, but since 2020, we haven't really been on a long haul flight, but we are soon. We have bought a little gadget that we wanted to show you. We're going to do a bit of an unboxing, and then what we're going to do is we're going to test it out on our flight. So Craig, what is it?
It is an AirFly SE. What we do with this is we actually connect it to the jack plug what's on the entertainment screen on the plane, and then we're able then to connect our AirPods directly to this, so there's no wires.
So the idea is that because we're on such a quite a long flight, aren't we? I think it's about 9 hours. Craig loves watching the films, but he doesn't like the free earphone things that they give you on the flight. So he wants to use his AirPods. So this enables you to do it. We got it off Amazon and thought, actually, that might solve our problem. So let's have a look and see what's inside the box.
Right, here goes. Even I haven't had a look in this yet, so it's new to us all. And I'm also hoping that this is going to work. Okay, right, we're out. So right away, we see the actual gadget with the jack plug connection and the gizmo that we're going to connect to our AirPods. Now obviously we're not going to be able to show you how we connect this as of yet.
Yeah, we're going to have to try it on the flight, so it will be a bit of a test to see whether it will actually work. If it doesn't work, it's going to be a long 9 hours, isn't it?
It's going to be a long, yeah, it is. Well, I will have to use the ones on the plane. Now I do have headphones with connections on, but they're all the Apple connections. I haven't got any with the old ones.
Yeah.
Okay, so right away I've took everything out of the box, and right away, which is really good I think, is they give you a quick start with a little 2-page instruction. So obviously in front of that then we get a lovely little case to pop it in, which is nice because that will protect it. Inside that are the actual full instructions.
So we're going to have to take all this with us, aren't we, so that we know what we're doing when we get on the flight.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at it a little bit closer to see what it actually looks like.
Yeah. So right away we've got a charging lead, which is the USB-C, so it's the new connection to a USB connection. And then we've actually got the gizmo itself. So that'll be quite interesting. I'm quite looking forward to it because if you look at it, you think, really? Is that going to do the job? But
it's quite handy though, isn't it? If you're thinking about how much you need to carry, with this, essentially all you need to have is your AirPods and then this AirFly device.
Yeah.
And then when you get on the flight, fingers crossed, all Craig will need to do is just Bluetooth connect, and then he'll be able to plug one end into the entertainment system on the plane and then pop his earpods in.
So yeah, fingers crossed.
Who knows?
So hopefully what we'll do is, as soon as we get airborne, shall we say, we will try it out and we'll do another video, and I'll try my very best to connect it and make it clear. But
have all the patience to try and do it as well.
I really don't know what she's meaning by that, but I do have, yeah.
So the next time you're going to see us is going to be on the flight. So here you go.
All right, guys. This is an update now. We're actually going to try and connect this AirFly for the first time. So apparently what we're going to do is open the AirPod case, click the pairing button until it flashes white, which it didn't flash white then. Now apparently I've got to slide the on-off button up. That will automatically pair. Just going to wait while that light goes green.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the white light now on the AirFly has actually gone solid. As you can see, the AirPod case, we shut it and open it again, has actually now gone green, which tells me it's paired with it. So basically now all I need to do is actually pop this into here. It's the connection. And now I'm just going to pull one of these out and see if I've connected. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so I'm pretty impressed with that. It is quite easy, really. So bottom line, well not bottom line, but all we do now is literally to repair them from your old device is to press the button on the back, wait while the light goes solid white. Then with the AirFly, you just literally switch it on and it will pick up automatically your device. So that's basically it. Green light to say you've paired on the Apple case, and a white light to say you've paired on the AirFly. Yeah, quite impressive.